Back to the channel, and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. If you haven't worked on this conversational agent previously, then this life little bit tricky for you, but don't worry, I'm going to answer whatever the issue that you will face on this particular lab. So I will request you please watch the video carefully so you are able to complete the lab on your first attempt. So first of all, just me log in with your credentials, and once you're done with that, you will get this kind of interface. Now just me come back over here, click on the task number 1. Just me scroll down, and from here you can see this URL. Just me open this URL in incognito window. Now once you open this URL, here you might face two issues over here. First of all, you are not able to get your project ID over here. If you are facing this issue, just me click on this all button over here. From here, just me copy your project ID and paste over here like this way, and just me select your project ID. After doing all this step, after waiting for more than 5 minutes, if you still not able to get your project ID, just me restart your lab. So this is the first issue that you might face. Now just me click over here if you are able to get your project ID. Just me wait. Now you will get this kind of page over here. Here we have to just click on this enable API over here. Now sometime what happen, after clicking on this button, we are not getting anything over here. Sometime you will get a pop-up like enable billing. If you get a pop-up that enable billing, just click on this cancel button. Okay, if you're clicking on this enable API and nothing is happening over here, you can do one more thing. Let me just show you that as well. First of all, if I just click on this refresh button over here, watch the video carefully. You can see I'm still getting this pop-up over here, and when I'm clicking over here, nothing is going to happen. So what you have to do, just me copy this API name over here, come back to your dashboard, click on the checkbox, click on this agree and continue, and now just me search over here like this way. Hit enter button, click over here. Now just me click on this enable button over here. Now just me wait. And it's done. Okay, now if we just come back to this page, and now if we just click on this refresh button over here, you will get this page over here. Just wait. Okay, now just click on this create agent. From here just choose build your own agent over here. Now for the display name, just come back over here, and from here you can see this name. So just copy this name and paste over here. Now for the location, just copy this location over here, and just search or like control F, just choose that. No need to make any other changes. Just scroll down, and from here just choose a flow over here like this way. Now just click on this create button. Wait for a second now. And it's done. Okay, now just click on this gear icon over here. Scroll down a little bit, and from here you can see logging setting. Just click on these two checkbox over here. Enable cloud logging, enable conversational history over here, and then just click on the save button. If you follow all this step, if you come back over here and click on this check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Sometime it might take time to update a score, but don't worry, you will get a green tick over here for sure. And make sure that once you get a green tick, then only move forward with the task number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so it's done now. What you have to do now, in the description box of this video, I will share one GitHub link. Just click on that link, and then you're able to access this file. Just click on this download button over here, and the file will download to your local system. You can see this file. Now just come back over here, and just click on this, and from here just click on this restore agent over here. Click on this upload, click on this select file, and just upload the file which is just download from my GitHub repo over here. Now click on this restore. And it's done. Now what you do, just wait for this page get load. Okay, now if I just click on this, and you can see in environment, I'm only able to see this draft environment over here. So basically what you do, we have to create 3 environments over here. So for that, just click on this hamburger over here. Okay, not this one. Okay, if we just hover over here, and from here you can see this version. So just click over here. Okay, let me just drag this out over here like this way. Okay, now just click on this. Okay, and then just me click on this create button. What I did, I click on this versions. After that, I click on this name and then click on this create button over here. Okay, now here we have to create two versions. So first of all, just me come back over here, click on the task number 4, scroll down a little bit, and from here you will get a name over here. Let me just find that quickly. Scroll down and you can see from the point number 10, task number 4, point number 10. Just me copy this name carefully and come back and replace over here like this way. Okay, so this is a version 1. Click on the save button. Now in the same way, we again click on this, click on this create, and in this same way we have to create a version 2. So just replace this one with 2. That's it. Click on the save button. Okay, so it's done. Now click on this default over here, and from here you can see the status is not ready. So just wait until both the status show as a ready. And as you can see, both the status showing as a ready. Now what we do, we have to assign this version to our environments. So for that, just me come back over here, click on this environments over here, and here we have to create two environments. Now I will recommend you please watch the video carefully, because I know most of you guys miss this point over here. Click on this create over here. First of all, we have to create an environment for the testing. So just me type QA in capital, and for the versioning, just me choose a version 1. You can see this V1. Make sure that for the QA the version must be V1. Now click on this save button. Now what you do, we have to create another environment for the development. Click on this create again. Now just me type dev, and from here just me choose a V2. Okay, now just me click on this save, and it's done. But now if you just me click over here, you can see now we are only able to see this draft over here. So for that, what you do, now just me click on this refresh button over here. Now if we just check over here, and you can see all these three environment. Now we have to just test all these three environment. How to do that? For that, just come back over here, scroll down a little bit, and from here you will get one question over here. Let me just find that quickly. Okay, you can see I want to book a flight. Just copy this question over here, and make sure that you have to copy this question only. Now just copy this, come back, make sure that for the first time it should be draft, and just search over here, paste over here, and then click on this enter button. You will get this kind of output. So we are done with this draft version. Now click on this reset conversation. From here just choose a QA, and then again paste the same question and hit enter button over here. Just wait. Once you get the output, that means you are done with the two testing. Now again click on this reset. Now this time just choose the development environment, paste the question again, same question, and hit enter button over here, and you can see we got output for each and every environment over here. And if you have followed the step which I mentioned in this video, if you come back over here and click on the check my progress for each and every task, you will get a score without any issue. And if the score is not updated immediately, don't worry, just wait for a couple of minutes and you will get a full score over here for sure. So just wait and watch, and as you can see, it's done. And in this way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please do let me in the comment section. I hope you guys like the way I explained this lab. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.